Good day, viewers. You are welcome. For x here greater than 0, we want to find f of x. You are welcome. How do you solve for this problem? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. Give it a try, and I'll be solving this in a very simple way. We have a bunches of radical domain root x plus 1 minus root x equals 1 divided by x. We need f of x. This is a very simple way on solving this. Let's consider the solution first. The first thing we are going to do is, suppose I replace this equation, this domain with u equals the square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x. Okay? Then after getting this, we are going to make sure that we find 1 divided by x. But to do that, these are radical, but we need it in forms of rational. Okay? In form of fractions. The first thing we're going to do is, suppose I change this one to 1 divided by, let's say I rationalize this. Okay? So if I rationalize this, we are going to have u equals the square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x divided by 1. Then multiply by square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x divided by square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x. Yeah, it's possible that we rationalize the numerator as well. And looking at this numerator, we have something of difference of 2 squared. This is the same thing with this. What differentiates them is the sign. One is positive and one is negative. So this becomes u equals, taking the first and the first one, we have square root of x plus 1 raised to power 2, then minus square root of x raised to power of 2 divided by square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x. Then with this, we have u equals, this cancel this and square also cancel square root. We have x plus 1, then minus x divided by the square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x. So this is x plus 1 and this is x. So this equals plus x cancel minus x, and we have 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 then plus square root of x. This is for u. But I need 1 divided by u. I have to reciprocate this. So if I change this one to 1 over u, then we have this as square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x. So this is what I have for 1 divided by u. So the next is, we need to solve for square root of x. And how can we get that? It's very simple. So what we do is, from where we let the square root of x, if you consider from square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x, we know that this equals u. And we have another new equations, which is square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x. This gives us 1 over u. We have to solve this one simultaneously. To solve this one simultaneously, our goal is we need to find square root of x. So what to do is, suppose I call this one equation 1, call this one equation 2. If I subtract equation 1 from equation 2, so we are going to have the square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x, then minus open bracket square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x. And this equals 1 divided by u minus u. So by opening this parenthesis, we have square root of x plus 1 cancel square root of x plus 1. Here we have root x, then minus times minus, that is plus. Here is root x also, then we have 1 over u minus u divided by 1. On getting this, we have this as 2 root x equals, finding the LCM of this, we are going to have it as 1 minus u squared divided by u. And by multiplying through by 1 divided by 2, we have root x equals 1 minus u squared divided by 2u. Then we need to get root x, and we have gotten root x already. So the next thing we are going to do is, suppose I take the square of both sides. So we have x cancelled x. Then x equals 1 minus u squared divided by 2u all raised to the power of 2. From the other side of the original equation, we have 1 over x there. If I try to reciprocate this, we have 1 over x equals, so this will go up, this will come down, and we have 2u over 1 minus u squared raised to the power of 2. So with this one, we have 1 over x equals 4u squared divided by 1 minus u squared all raised to the power of 2. We have to start this also. Then let's try and substitute back. Then we are going to have f of u, which equals 1 divided by x. But we have this already. Our f of u will now be equals to 1 over x is given as 4u squared divided by 1 minus u squared all raised to the power of 2. We need x. Changing this one to x is easy. We have f of x equals 4x squared divided by 1 minus x squared all squared. This is the answer for f of x, but x here must not be 1 and it must not be minus 1. That's only what creates the exception here. Okay, so this is how I solve this, but can we verify that these equations are equal? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.